Hello there. Time for some more factoring, and this problem looks like serious business. Step 1, set up your puzzle, and we're looking for the product of 32 and negative 1125. And that is only negative 36,000. Okay, B value here gets written down below, 180. And I'm going to look for mystery numbers R and S such that R times S is negative 36,000 and R plus S is positive 180. Right. Okay, so when the problems are really big like this, you can cheat a little bit by setting up a function in your calculator. So I'm just going to type into y1 negative 36,000 over x, begin to look at a table. So this table is helping me look at the factors here. So for example, 1 and negative 36,000 multiply to negative 36,000. 2 and negative 18,000 do the same thing. 3 and negative 12,000. 4 and negative 9,000, so on and so forth. So these are telling me that 1, 2, 3, and 4 are actually all factors because I'm getting whole numbers out here. Further down the line, you're going to see decimals, and that means that that number here for the x doesn't go evenly into your negative 36,000, so it's not a factor of it. Turns out that negative 36,000 has quite a few factors, but I think if I go down to the 7, it's not going to appear. Yeah, 7 winds up being a decimal, negative 5,142.857, da-da-da-da. But I'm looking for the, so these are all factors, but I'm looking for the combination between these two numbers that adds up to 180, and that's where this next column is going to come in. I'm going to define a new function that's simply the old function, negative 36,000 over x plus x. And what this is going to do is it's going to take the y value that was here, and it's going to add the x value that was over here. So it's going to sum these two together. So what I can see here is that even though these are factors, they multiply for the target, they do not add, 4 plus negative 9,000 does not add to the desired 180. So you just go scrolling through your list. Now, the factors R and S, because their product is negative, I know one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. So I could either scroll down the list or I could actually go back up to pick it up. So that this is somewhat coherent, I'm going to find the positive one. And this can take a while, but just keep scrolling down. You want this number to get closer and closer to 180. Okay, and it actually took quite a while on that one, but I eventually hit it at 300. So 300 times negative 120 is the desired product, negative 36,000, and their sum is the desired sum, positive 180. So these are my two mystery numbers, R and S. So I'll put them into the puzzle there. And now we are going to rewrite the original equation, splitting up the 180x. Okay, look at the first two, 32x squared plus 300x. What can be factored out of both of those? I'm going to guess 8. And that was wrong. 300 divided by 8 is 37.5, so I guess we're going with 4. So 4x on the outside, and on the inside we're going to have 8x plus, let's see here, half of that's 150, 75. Now, look at the next two. I know I'm going to want to, I know that I am going to want to factor out a negative sign, because these are positive here. Now, these numbers are fairly big, but I also have a clue that the target is 8x plus 75, so I can cheat a little bit and say, 120 divided by 8 is what? I get 15, and 15 times 75 should also be this target. And it is. So we can factor out negative 15. And that leaves us with 8x plus 75. Now, these are both the same, 8x plus 75, so that gets factored to the outside. And my bones are the 4x minus 15. Final step in all of this, 8x plus 75. Are 8 and 75 relatively prime? Yes. It's an even number, it's just 2 times 2 times 2. That is not an even number. Same thing there. So I am confident with that's as factored as that's going to get. and then I could foil it and show that it reassembles back into the top. Thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.